What we plan to show is something super exciting. And in terms of what could be more exciting than AI, the small task-based AI capability that you build on the top of your source-to-pay platform is good, but not good enough, right? So we need to get started with building larger and agentic flows. Customers would show me their cell phone, hey, if the ChatGPT can have this kind of responses, why can't you have it? And not only ChatGPT kind of responses, can it work on my data? Can it work on my business processes? That was the genesis of Merlin Agentic platform. 100% AI-based platform where you can create your own agents. Intake management is the front door of the procurement, and it takes any and every request.
Merlin Intake is integrated into Microsoft Teams. So from an end user perspective, it's an application that they're very familiar with.
The system is automatically taken to the entire purchasing process. It checks against the past purchase recommendations. It checks against the catalogs, punch-outs, everything done autonomously over here. There is hardly any touch to the entire purchasing process. So you see the system automatically extracts all the data, supplier name, details, quantity, the entire details of the quotation. It goes on to search in the catalogs. And what it also does out here is, it also looks into, hey, the supplier that is mentioned, whether that's existing in the system or not. And based on that, the system is automatically orchestrating the entire flow. And you're done with the requisition. So as you can see out here, zero-touch requisitioning. So what it will do is, based on this, the system is going to ask you relevant questions. AI has kind of transformed the guided intake management to more of an autonomous intake management.
Built on the new Merlin Agentic platform, our autonomous negotiation process, right from the point where the user chooses his purchase request to the point where it actually does the execution. Recommended supplier questions based on what you're trying to purchase. So it's come back with recommendations. As a user, you could change. I'll say select these and proceed. How do you focus your spend to suppliers that you've already used versus fragmenting your supplier base even further? So what it does is it goes back, looks at your supplier base, you have preferred suppliers in the category, you've probably used them in the past, and it comes back with those supplier recommendations. This is what the supplier actually sees. This is an agent that the supplier is speaking to. It starts with a greeting saying, how are you doing today? Hey, I'm doing well. So it comes back, gives me a context of what is it here for today. It's saying, are you open to discussing prices? It's actually come back with a counter offer based on the competing bids. It's not going to push me any further. And it's going to say, this is the final price that I'm going to record. Think of it like a Lego. You've got your blocks, put them together, you have a business flow in action.
We have a lot more agents in work: supplier onboarding agent, contract renewal agent,